What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been a minute. I've been working on the Ruckus. It's almost done. I just gotta wait on a piece to come in this Saturday. Well, actually I don't have to wait on it. I don't know what I'm waiting on, to be honest. But today is not a Ruckus filled video. Today we fix Christina. Hopefully we fix Christina, because knowing me, I don't really fix my car. I just break it. Super facts. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I had made a post about this. This is a, I believe, Block's throttle body, 70mm throttle body, and it started sticking, and I tried to fix it, and well, everything I did came to a halt because I didn't fix crap. After talking to the EF god, Mr. Young Static himself, I realized that my TPS didn't have the little spring in there, so it was sticking every time I opened the throttle past like 3K RPMs, it'll start to stick. I tried to fix it by adding a spring in there, and I guess when I bought the throttle bar off the guy, there's two Allen key bolts that are stripped, and I can't get this thing out. And in the process of putting everything back together, I don't know if you can see the threads, but they're completely stripped. So with that being said, your boy did order a throttle body from NeoGarageOnline.com, and if you use my code, you get 5% off. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Use Zosh5. So here we have the Skunk 2 Alpha Series throttle body in the 70mm specs. And yeah, open this bad boy up, and here we have sticker, owner's kit, which is dope, and most importantly, the throttle body, playboy. Oh, dude, this is huge. Jesus. So I'm gonna remove everything from the old throttle body and get it swapped over to the new one. I feel like I'm gonna have to recalibrate the TPS more than likely, but let's get this thing installed and see if my issue is fixed, which I hope it is, bro. I really do hope it. I hope it is. For the install of my new throttle body, I'm going to be using my old thermal gasket because thermal is the best, bro. They do offer a gasket when you order your Skunk 2 throttle body Alpha Series, because you're an Alpha, son. You ain't no pack. You an Alpha. And for all the real OGs out there that know about Ken Carter, know about the Alpha dudes and the pack dudes. You know what I'm saying? I can't say the other word because, you know, I ain't trying to get demonetized. You feel me? But yeah, I'm using my thermal gasket and get this installed, and hopefully Randy stops by so he can help me calibrate this TPS, because maybe I can do it myself, but it's always better when Rainey's around, right? Alright, got the throttle cable attached, got the map on, TPS on, got the screw adjusted already. I tried to mimic the old throttle body, so hopefully it works. Now I'm with the laptop, plugging the sensors, and well, yeah, plugging the sensors and see on the laptop itself where my TPS is. It should read full throttle, 100%. Hey, I heard y'all like to gamble, so we finna gamble, you know what I'm saying? Let's play some bets. Did Zosh calibrate his TPS properly? I gotta check engine light flashes up. Okay, now it's on. Okay, now it's flashing. Okay, I don't know. But we're gonna find out right about now. Is my TPS calibrated properly? Let's see. Damn it. Nah, it's not. Oh, wait. Somewhat. Should be reading 0, but at 100% throttle. I mean, maybe that's fine. I don't know. Why I gotta check engine light for? Let's check my error codes. Because my check engine light is flashing, but nothing is popping up. Alright, let's turn this bad boy on. Blah, 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 blah. My check engine light isn't flashing anymore. Warm up, playboy. Yeah. Yeah. That's not that bad, though. My TPS is reading 2%. I mean, it's still open, but That's not bad though. My TPS isn't too far off from being adjusted properly to where it says 0% at the TPS. Randy's on his way over right now, so he's gonna help me calibrate it while I'm outside messing with it, and he can be inside checking it out. But ooh. Now that's hella rich for a cold start. Well, my car was starting in like a couple days, but still, Jesus. That boy Randy's here. All right. Full throttle at 99% still. 99, 98, 99. Before it was reading, like when I just tried to match it up to the old one, it was reading 99 still. It was reading +2, but 100% full throttle. 98, 100, well, whatever you did, it stopped. It was at 98. It just went back to 0. Good to go, boys. I think my wideband's going, because now I'm reading hella rich. Hella rich, dog. Why do you read so read? What? Tight? Why, move? Yeah. This whole thing move? Yeah. The top one's loose. That one's loose. Watch. The back one's probably loose too. The back one's? That's why. This one's probably the tightest one, so the back one, these two are loose, so it's going like that. Yeah, it's like shit the back. So you'll fix that shit? Yeah. 2 of the manifold bolts are loose. That's why it freaking shakes the way it does. And I can't tighten the back one because SPA came out with a stupid ass manifold. This manifold is retarded. There's like literally no way I can tighten that bolt. Unless I remove all of this. Which I might have to do one day. But yeah, man, I gotta tighten that one as well. It's time for a new manifold, really, because that manifold is jankly garbage. I got off the phone with the tuner. Now I'm about to go for a pull and see how lean or rich it goes under load. So if it goes like 10s, that's not good. But if it goes like 11.8, 11.2, and 11 range of a wide open throttle pull, then I should be good. So yeah, this is my current wideband reading. Used to read 14.8, 15.2, but it dropped down a whole point or whatever, so.
Beginning, bro, not no more. She said Randall is faster. Tell him, baby, tell him. Can't even drive.
Your ass can't drive.
Forgot the camera inside, went to Home Depot to pick up some bolts for the Ruckus. Well, I needed a bolt for the Ruckus because I broke one on accident. And now Randy's about to do a pool in it.
That shit shifts like, oh, I gotta get this shit for the hatch.
Shit, nice. All the way through.
Now that's how you supposed to drive. From now on, that's how you drive.
Bitch having the time of his life.
I love that. You think we ran from cops right there, right?
I mean, we could have just, we kind of did just run from cops. I didn't get it on camera. After the pool, like 4 cops passes by and they turned the lights on, but.
Fuck, I gotta get home. Is that them?
No, I don't think so. Right here. That was crazy.
Oh, bro, I still think you run from cops, dog.
I know, bro. We some illegals.
Fuck.
If you ain't got your license, I ain't got my license on me. This is what YouTube wanted, bro. I should title this video, this is what y'all wanted. Pool. And that'll conclude today's video. Man, I wish I got this thing of us not running from the cops, but running from the cops. That was actually pretty dope. But time to get back to this Ruckus thing so I can get you guys a nice debut video, or first start video, sorry. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching the video. Shout out to that guy. Shout out to Mr. Neo from NeoGarageOnline.com. Thought our body works perfect. I guess the idle fixed itself because now I'm reading like 15.2, 14.8 at idle now. But earlier, before Randy did like 8 pulls or whatever, I was reading 13.2, 12.8. So I guess it fixed itself, I don't know. But if you haven't throttle body issues and you need a new throttle body, you know what I'm saying, Skunk 2 got the beautiful Alpha series out, you know what I'm saying, use code ZOSH5 at NeoGarageOnline.com with my link so your boy can get some more cool parts, because let me let y'all in on a secret, I'm an affiliate of Neo Garage Online, so when I promote, I'm promoting myself, because when y'all get things through them, it helps me out, because like, I'm an affiliate, so when you're affiliate, you get, you know what I'm saying, benefits, you feel me? So if you need anything from Neo Garage Online, make sure you click on the Zosh video, read the description, like, oh dang, look at that, Zosh got a Neo Garage link. Click. But thank you guys for watching. If you thought this video was enjoyable in any way, shape, or form, you
give me the Benz put on the make me go and drive it down. All taxi pum pum go and go cool now. Benz put on the make me go and drive it down. All taxi pum pum go and go cool now. System and a rev your back.
that like button for you, but that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.